Hi, here at H.Mitchell Car Sales, we're very pleased to be able to offer for sale this 2020 Renault Clio 1 litre turbo iconic. This is the 100 brake horsepower model. This car's finished in flame red metallic paint. It's got the LED daytime driving lights, front fog lights, front parking sensors, body coloured door mirrors with side repeaters, rear privacy glass, 16-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, front near side alloy wheel, inside the car you've got the grey interior, cloth interior with the charcoal grey side panels and the lighter grey centre panels. Rear passenger area, so in the rear of the car you've got room for 3 passengers. ISOFIX fixing point for the baby seat. Manual rear window openings. Near side rear alloy wheel. Moving around to the rear of the car, you've got the rear parking sensors. And inside the rear load area you've got the 60/40 split rear seat. This has got the load cover as well to protect the boot floor. Onto the driver's side of the car now. Driver's side rear alloy wheel. Inside the car on the driver's door you've got the controls for the front electric windows, electric mirror adjustment, and this car's got the electric folding mirrors. On the dashboard you've got the controls for the lane departure mode. 31,377 miles, that's what this vehicle's done. 5-speed gearbox, USB and auxiliary port, 12-volt plug-in for accessories, heater controls with manual air conditioning. Then you've got the touchscreen media system, so on the home page, audio wise you've got FM, AM and digital radio stations, Bluetooth connectivity so as you can play music from an external device. You've also then got hands-free phone operation, full screen navigation, eco mode and stop start deactivation switch. Automatic headlamps, controls on the steering wheel for the cruise control and speed limiter. The other side you've got the controls for answering and rejecting calls. You've got voice control if your phone's compatible. Moving outside the car, the identification plate tells it's the Renault Clio iconic TCE 100. Keyless entry with this car. Driver's side front alloy wheel. Okay, hope you find this video informative. Any further questions regarding this car, please contact us by phoning 01924 411 323 or send an email to mail@hmitchellcarsales.co.uk. Thank you for watching. We look forward to your inquiry. Bye.